Today, we're diving into the cosmos to bust some common myths about space and planets. From black holes to comets, we're going to explore the science behind these celestial objects and separate fact from fiction. So, buckle up and let's get started. Black holes. Just the name conjures up images of cosmic vacuum cleaners, relentlessly sucking up everything in their path. But the universe is far more elegant than that. Black holes don't suck in the way we often imagine. They possess immense gravity, yes, but it's not some insatiable force pulling everything towards it. Imagine a bowling ball placed on a trampoline. It creates a dip, right? That's gravity at work, warping the fabric of space-time. Black holes, with their concentrated mass, create a much deeper dip. But just like objects can orbit the sun without falling in, objects can orbit a black hole, held in their cosmic dance by gravity. Now, there's a point of no return, the event horizon. Cross that threshold, and not even light can escape the black hole's gravitational grasp. Is there gravity on the moon? It's a question that often sparks debate, fueled by images of astronauts bounding effortlessly across the lunar surface. The answer? A resounding yes. The moon, like all objects with mass, exerts a gravitational pull. However, the moon's gravity is significantly weaker than Earth's, about 1/6 to be precise. This difference stems from the moon's smaller mass. Think of it this way: the moon is like Earth's smaller sibling, with less gravitational muscle. But don't let that fool you. Gravity is still very much present on the moon. It's what holds the moon in orbit around Earth and what gives us tides. Comets, those celestial wanderers with their luminous tails, have captivated sky watchers for centuries. But here's a cosmic secret. Not all comets sport those magnificent appendages. In fact, a comet's tail is a temporary phenomenon, a cosmic makeover triggered by a close encounter with a star. Imagine a comet in the depths of space, far from the sun's warmth. It's essentially a ball of ice and dust, a cosmic snowball hurtling through the cosmos. But as it ventures closer to the sun, things start to heat up, literally. The sun's radiation begins to vaporize the comet's icy surface, creating a hazy cloud of gas and dust called a coma. This coma, illuminated by sunlight, is what makes comets visible from Earth. The image of astronauts floating effortlessly in space is captivating, leading many to believe that gravity simply ceases to exist beyond Earth's atmosphere. But let me assure you, gravity is a fundamental force that permeates the cosmos, holding galaxies together and dictating the motion of celestial objects. The sensation of weightlessness astronauts experience isn't due to an absence of gravity, but rather a state of perpetual freefall. Imagine yourself on a roller coaster plummeting down a steep drop. For a brief moment, you feel weightless, not because gravity has vanished, but because you and the roller coaster are falling at the same rate. That's essentially what's happening with astronauts in orbit. They're constantly falling towards Earth, but their horizontal velocity is so great that they keep missing the planet, perpetually falling around it. This continuous freefall creates the illusion of weightlessness. When it comes to scorching temperatures, Mercury often takes the heat, being the closest planet to the sun. But in a cosmic twist, Venus, the second rock from our star, claims the title of the hottest planet in our solar system. And the culprit behind this intense heat? A runaway greenhouse effect. You see, Mercury, while close to the sun, lacks a substantial atmosphere to trap heat. Venus, on the other hand, boasts a dense atmosphere, about 90 times thicker than Earth's, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas. Think of Venus's atmosphere as a thick blanket wrapped around the planet. Sunlight pierces through, warming the surface. But the heat, instead of radiating back into space, gets trapped by the carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, creating a scorching inferno. And there you have it, 5 common space myths busted. From the true nature of black holes to the fiery furnace of Venus, we've journeyed through the cosmos, uncovering the science behind these celestial wonders. Remember, the universe is full of surprises, and the more we learn, the more awe-inspiring it becomes. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop looking up at the stars.